Hey guys, this is PolymomoTea's brother here. You can call me PolycocoTea or whatever you want. And yeah, I'm commenting on his watermelon wedge. So let's get it. All right, so you start off with some brown clay, you pinch it, and you want to make it watermelon shaped because you're making a watermelon. And then for good measure, you just kind of want to rub it smooth. I don't know why you rubbed it. And then yeah, you want to bake that. And then I don't know what this is. It's something, and you just want to basically grab whatever you baked and just press it in there. And you're gonna make a mold, a watermelon mold. And then from that point on, I don't know why he literally like just cut it all out. He could have just left it. He literally could have just left it whole. But you want to grab your baked thing and yeah, pull it out. Excuse me. So then you grab some fluid, like a lot of fluid, like, nope, not one squeeze, but like 19. And you just kind of want to, I don't know why he's drizzling around this plate, but you're going to grab a toothpick and you're just going to dab, 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 and then stir it, or you could have just stirred it instead of dabbing it 3 times. And then you're just going to keep placing it into your mold there. So I guess that's the first cure. Then you're going to strategically place your watermelon seeds because, symmetry is everything. If it's not symmetrical, it's not art. Then you want to, I guess, do the second cure of just dabbing your paint in there. And then third time of dabs. And then you're done. So then you just kind of want to pry out your freshly made watermelon. And it's got some like doo-doo on the side. You can just scrape that off with whatever you have. Like if you have a knife, or you can use your fingernails or whatever. Or maybe a pencil. Anyways, then once you kind of clean that off, you have this kind of like raw watermelon side. So you want to fill that up with your clear fluid that you've been using. He calls that a fourth cure. I call it another dab. Anyways, then you want to grab some more clay, and you just kind of want to grab some green hairs and place it in your turquoise clay straight as you can, and then roll it in there. And then you want to pancake your flattened white clay, and then you want to grab your watermelon template and kind of cut around it. And once you've cut successfully, you just kind of want to like smush it into your watermelon mold, and you're gonna bake it. You're gonna bake all of this together, and then once you bake it with some superhuman strength, some yellow nails, and lots of determination, you pull it out, and you're just gonna do what you've been doing. You're just gonna keep dabbing some more fluid onto the little watermelon crust, and you just kind of want to smush together your freshly squeezed watermelon with the crust, and yeah, you have a watermelon. Then you want to grab some nail polish, clear nail polish, and you just kind of want to coat the outside of your watermelon to make it look smooth. Kind of like when you go to high school and you pre-plan outfits. You want to pre-plan your face onto your finger to see what your watermelon looks like beforehand, and then you want to carefully place it onto your watermelon once you're satisfied with your finger placements. And then once you have your watermelon eyes and your little mouth on there, be careful now. The little mouth squiggles around a lot. You want to you just want to place some eyebrows on your watermelon just because you can. And once that watermelon's all done, you guessed right. You can grab some more smooth nail polish and coat it over. And then, there you go. You have a nice, little, cute watermelon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my comments and company. I hope my brother allows me to make another video. But that's solely based on how many likes, comments, subscribers, and shares he gets on this video. And also, there's 40 more seconds of him just showing off his watermelon to you guys, so let's fill up the time with, here's a clip of my dog swimming. And the rest of this clip is just going to be me slurping on my Coke. Anyways, peace guys.